I can't stand vlogging in the wind, and there's a hurricane headed to Hawaii. My pond isn't looking so good because of the acid rain. And we got a volcano and a hurricane. I got my trusty knife. We'll open her up. I'm excited to see what Sarah sent. There's a lot of stuff here. It's pretty heavy. It's a heavy box. I've got my LT Wright forest trail knife. And let's see. Wow! Awesome! A bunch of food. Got Spam. Got all sorts of stuff. I will definitely share this. Canned ham. Oh yeah. Cooked ham right there. Peanuts. Wow. All sorts of goodies. Awesome. Thank you, Sarah. Wow. And especially with the hurricane, Hurricane Hector is on the way. This will help out the community. I'll definitely share some of this. I don't think I can eat all of this. And she's got a note. Let's see what the note says. Thank you, Sarah. Awesome. That's cute. I like it. Awesome. Some staples and a few fun things. Hope you like your package. Yes, I do. Thank you, Sarah. Sarah and Tom and Dave, I think. Yep. Awesome. Thank you. Wow. This is a lot of stuff. Got Spam. It's a staple in Hawaii. Got some tomatoes. Awesome. Some peanuts. Really cool. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna have this right now. Thank you. Awesome. Okay, let's see what else she sent. She sent 2 packages. I'm excited. Wow, it's a Christmas. Oops, actually I have to do that. And then I'll just go like this. Boom. Love it. Love it. Oh, wow. What do we got here? Holy Toledo. Lots of food. Wow. Thank you, Sarah. Wow. Batteries, flashlights. Awesome. Awesome. Wow. These seem like really good flashlights. 350 lumens. Awesome. Extra batteries. Really cool. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I love these trail mix. I love trail mix. It's awesome. Thank you. Amazing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have some pancakes. I want to thank Sarah for the food. It's amazing. I will give some of it away to a couple of the residents of Leilani. Help them out. Spread the love. Again, I want to thank you, Sarah, for sending all that stuff. Wow. And with Hurricane, I almost tripped there. With the Hurricane Hector on its way, Hawaii could be in for a real hard time.